Hi, this is Tom, and in this video we're going to find the percentile rank of 1.1 and 6.2. So I've listed out the data set right here, and let's count this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 values. Oops, I'm sorry, and there's one more. Let's add 20.3. There we go. So we'll do 10 values. So I'm going to write over here, I'm going to write n equals 10 is the number of data values. Okay, to find the percentile rank, we use this formula. It looks like this: percentile rank equals position in list, or number, let's do this, number of data preceding X preceding X plus 0.5. All that divided by n. And I should probably have over here percentile rank of X. So a percentile ranking is simply a position in the list. For example, if these were weights of people, maybe in kilograms, or of children in kilograms, then what we would do is we would say that this person is obviously the lightest, so they're going to be in the lowest percentile. Somewhere in here, these people are in the middle, so they're going to be in the middle percentiles, and this person here is going to be at the top of the percentile ranks for weight. So let's see how this works. For example, let's do this one. So we want the first one is going to be X is 1.1. So we want the percentile rank. I'm going to abbreviate it like this: percent rank equals. Now, when I do this, how many data values are lower than 1.1? Well, it's the very first one in the list, so there's 0 values below it. So I'm going to write 0, that's the number of data preceding X, plus 0.5 divided by the number of data values, and we use that right here, that's our 10. So if we add this up, we get, oops, I'm sorry, let me go back. I should have times 100%, and I should have that times 100% over here, times 100 times 100. Okay, so this is going to be 0.5 divided by 100, oops, sorry, divided by 10 times 100, and if you put that in your calculator, should give you, this is the 5th percentile rank. Now let's try another one. Let's try X is 6.2. Okay, so our percentile rank equals, well, let's go to 6.2. I'm going to use some red so I don't get all this confused. Notice that here is 6.2, but the problem says the number of data preceding X. Well, all of these values here are lower than X. And I forgot to say this because the list already did it, but you always need your list in ascending order, just like this one was, meaning from the lowest value to the highest. So when we look at 6.2, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 values that are lower than 6.2. So in order to calculate that, we would say that we have the number here, the number of data preceding x is 7, so I'm going to take 7 plus 0.5, divide that out by 10, and multiply that by 100. So if I do that, that's going to be 7.5 divided by 10 times 100, and if you take 7.5 and divide by 10, it moves the decimal one position to the left. You multiply it by 100, it moves the decimal two places back to the right. And so we could say that a value of 6.2 would place us in the 75th percentile, or percentile rank. And that's how you calculate a percentile. The key is, remember, it's the number of data preceding the one that you're interested in, and that your data needs to be in a list in ascending order, meaning from lowest to highest. And I'll make that little note over here. Data in a list in ascending order. Ascending order. I'll put this, i.e. from low to high. I hope that helps. This is Tom signing out. Have a great evening.